Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to easily add Kahoot to Microsoft Teams so you can create and launch fun quizzes right inside your class or meeting. Open Microsoft Teams. In the left sidebar, click on Apps. In the search box, type Kahoot. Click on the Kahoot app and click Add. Kahoot added successfully. If prompted, choose the teams or channel you want to add Kahoot to. Once added, you can open Kahoot from the sidebar or within a channel tab. Sign in with your Kahoot account and start creating or hosting quizzes. You have successfully added Kahoot to Microsoft Teams. Now you can engage your class or team with interactive quizzes right inside Teams. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.